Hello 8th standard students. Welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing about the lesson squares and square roots and we were in a worksheet 1. Now coming to the question number 2. Find the value of 0.0009. Now the square root of the decimals. We have understood in the examples, isn't it? Now write the question 0.20 and 0.9. In a decimal, we have to group it in pairs from left to right. So 0009. Now 0 point. So first write that 0 point decimal place. Now this 2 zeros. So it will be 0 zeros are 0. 0. When you subtract, bring 09 down, add 0, it will be 0. Now it is 9. Exact. 3 3s are 9. So you got 0 as the remainder. So answer is 0.03. Now coming to the second subdivision, 0.0081. Group it from left to right, 2 zeros and 81. The lines 0 point. Now 2 zeros, that means 1 0. 0, bring 81 down, add 0, 0, 81, 9, 9s are 81. So you got the answer 0.09. So as we have discussed earlier, 4 decimals, answer will be having 2 decimals. 4 decimals, answer will be having 2 decimal places. Now coming to the third sum, it is a 0.012321. 0.012321 from left to right. 01, 23, 21. Okay. Now, first 0 point, then it is 1. So, 1 ones are 1. Remainder is 0. Add 23. Now, bring 23 down. Add 1, it will be 2. Now, if you put 1, it will become 21, isn't it? 2, how much are 2? 1s are. So, it is 21. Subtract 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Bring 21 down. Add 1, it will be 22. Now 22 and 2, 21. 2 how much are 2? 1s are. So it is same 2 to 1. Yes. Answer is 0.111. 111 square is 12321. Remember? Now coming to 7.29. 7.29 is 7.29. On the whole number side, it is from right to left. So it will be 07. Onto the decimal side, it is left to right, it is 29. Now 7. 7 means 2 2s are 4. Put the decimal place immediately. 7 minus 4 is 3. Bring 29 down. Add 2. You got 4. Now ending with the 9. 4 how much are 32? 4 8s are 32, but it is ending with 9. So try with 7. So it is a 7 7s are 49. 7 4s are 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So the answer is 2.7. 729 square root is 27. 7.29 it is 2.7. Is it clear? So that was about the question number 2, subdivision 4. Now coming to the third sum. 0.053361. 0.053361. Group it first from left to right, isn't it, on the decimal section. So 0.05 means 5. 2 2s are 4. 1 remains. Bring 33 down. Add 2. You got 4. 4 how much are 13? 4 3s are 12. Check. It will be correct. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. Now 13 minus 9 is 4. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Bring 6 1 down. Add 3. It is 6. 4. You got 4 6 1. That means 1. So 4 6 1. Now the answer is 0.231. Is it okay? Now coming to the second sum. It is a 0.00053361. 0.00053361. So group it from left to right. Now put the lines. 0.0 means 0. Bring 0.5 down. It is 2. Add 0. 0. 2 2s are 4. 1. Bring 33 down. Add 2. It became 4. 4 3s are 12. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 13 minus 9, 4. Bring 6 1 down. Add 3. It is 3 plus 3, 6. 4. This is 4 6 1. So it is 1. So the numbers here and here, they are same, but extra 0 0. So answer, it is 0.0231. Here it was 0.231. Here it is 0.0231 because extra 2 zeros. Hope you are understanding. Okay. Now coming to the third sum. It is 150.0625. Okay, on the whole number side, it is a right to left. On the decimal side, from left to right. First group it, then put the lines. It is 1 ones are 1. It is 0. Bring 50 down. Now add 1. It is 2. 2 twos are 4. So put 2 and immediately the decimal point. 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. 10 minus 4, 6. 4 minus 4, 0. Now bring this 0, 6 down. Now add 2. 2 plus 2, 4. This is 2. 2 3s are 6. Again, if you put 3, 2 3s are 6. If we put 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 7. It will be big. So put 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Now 6 minus 4 is 2. Here it is 10 minus 8, 2. Here it is now 5 minus 4, 1. Now bring this 25 down. Add 2, you will get 4, 4, 2. Okay. Now ending with 5. So you can think of 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20, 22. 5 4s are 20, 22. 5 2s are 10, 12. So when you subtract, it is 0. So the answer is 12.25. Is it clear? So in decimal places, you have to be careful. Slowly, the method is the same. You have to be careful, that's all. Now coming to the fourth sum, it is a 0.374544. 374544. From left to right, group it, then put the lines. Now 0. Now 37 means 6 6 are 36. 1 remains, isn't it? Bring 45 down, add 6, it will be 12. Now 1 2, here it is 1 4 5. You can't put 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So it is 1s are 1 2 1. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 minus 2, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. Bring 44 down. Add 1. 1 plus 1, 2. This is 2 and 1. Now 1 2s are 2. Isn't it? 2, 3 digits, 4 digits. Ask with 1 digit. So 1 2s are ending with 4. So 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Is it clear? Answer 0.612. Hope everyone understood. The question number 3, fourth sum. Okay. Now coming to the fifth sum. It is 610.09. 610.09. On the whole number section from right to left. correct, from left to right on the decimal side. Now it is 6, means it is a 2 2s are 4, 2 remain, bring 10 down, add 2, it is 4, 4 how much are 20, 4 5s are, check, 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, 22, no, so try with 4. Now the decimal point, 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16, 17. 10 minus 6, 4. Now here it is 0, means 10 minus 7 is 3, 1 minus 1, 0. Bring 0, 9 down. Now add 4, 4 plus 4, 8, this is 4. Now 4, how much are 34, means 9s, we have to think, isn't it? But it is ending with 9. So check it with the 7, isn't it? 3 3s are 9, but it is small. So check it with 7 7s are. 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 60, 7 4s are 28, 29, 30, 30. If it is a perfect square, then you can think of, otherwise no. So answer is 24.7. Hope you have understood all the sums of question number 3. Okay, because they were the correct perfect squares. Even if it is a decimal, they were perfect squares. Now the fourth sum, it is the square root of 7 up to 3 decimal places. Remember, you have to take zeros, isn't it? So it is 7 point, first decimal, second decimal, third decimal, and now it is 3 decimal, we have to find up to 4 decimal. Hope you remember in the examples I have told you, isn't it? So we have to take extra zeros for that. The 3 decimal, 4 decimal, if they asked, you have to do like that. Now 7. Now the method is same. 7. 2 2s are 4. Put the decimal place. It is 7 minus 4, 3. Extra 2 zeros, bring it down. Add 2, it will be 4. 4, how much are 30? 4, 6 are 24, 4 7s are 28. But 7 will be bigger, we'll put 6. 6 6 are 36, 6 4s are 24, 27. I have explained how to check the side in the rough work. You have to multiply and see. Already we have done so many sums, so now I am not doing that and all. You have to be confident how to identify which digit we have to put. Okay, now 10 minus 6 is 4. Here it is 9 minus 7 is 2. Bring these 2 zeros down. Add 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 1 plus 4, 5. Now 5 how much are 24? 5 4s are 20. So check and see. Yes, you can put 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8, 9. 4 5s are 20. You got 2096. 10 minus 6 is 4. Now it is 9. Minus 9, 0. Here it is 3. 2 minus 2 is 0. Now bring these two zeros down. Add 4. 4 plus 4, 8. And this is 2. And this is 5. Now 5 how much are 30? 5 6 are 30, but 6 will be bigger. We have to try with 5. Now 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40, 42, 5 2s are 10, 14, and 5 5s are 25, 26. Hope you are understanding the steps. Remember all these, isn't it? 10 minus 5, 5. Now it is a 9 minus 2, 7. Now it is 3. 13 minus 4 is 9. Here it is a 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. 2 minus 2 is 0. Now bring these two zeros down. Okay. Add 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 1 plus 8, 9. 2, 5. Now 5 how much are 39? 5 7s are 35. 5 7s are 35. 7 7s are 49. 7 zeros are 0, so 4. Now 7 9s are 63. 7 2s are 14. 14, 20. 7 5s are 35, 37. Now no need of continuing. Okay, you got the number. So answer, it is 2.6457, but to 3 decimal places it will be 2.64. 7 is bigger, so you have to change it to 5 is increased to 6. So up to 3 decimal places. Hope you understood. So calculate up to 4 decimal places and convert to 3 decimal place. Okay. So we have completed question number 4, subdivision 1. Hope you understood all the sums. Okay then, bye. Thank you.